Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 1.3 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Sony. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now you need to tap on system and go into gestures. From here tap on one-handed mode and click on the switcher to activate it. Then follow those instructions. So I have to double tap the home button and as you can see one-handed mode is now on. You can change placement of it by tapping on this little icon over here. It's really small. Okay, and if you wish to go back, just click on the blank area. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!